This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
This procedure is shown accessing the drive belt and tensioner from above and inside the engine compartment. However, if greater access is needed for removal, undo the screws and remove the lower front section of the wheel arch liner. Pull the bonnet release lever located on the passenger side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety catch, raise the bonnet upwards and support it with the rod. Loosen the relevant front wheel bolts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the right front road wheel. Using a socket on the crankshaft pulley bolt, rotate the crankshaft so that the full length of the drive belt can be examined. Look for cracks, splitting and fraying on the surface of the belt. Check also for signs of glazing or shiny patches and separation of the belt plies. If damage or wear is visible, the belt should be renewed. Using a socket or spanner on the drive belt tensioner pulley retaining bolt, rotate the tensioner against spring pressure to release the tension from the belt. Hold the tensioner in this position using a suitable pin or rod and slip the drive belt off the alternator and air conditioning compressor pulleys. Remove the drive belt from the engine. If the belt tension created by the automatic tensioner is not sufficient, renew the tensioner before proceeding. In most cases, the automatic tensioner does not need to be renewed along with each belt renewal and can be reused. Ensuring that the correct type is being fitted, fit the belt around the pulleys. Remove the locking rod and rotate the tensioner until the belt can be slipped into place over the tensioner pulley. Release the tensioner to allow the spring-loaded arm to automatically tension the belt. Be sure that the belt has been evenly fitted into all of the pulley grooves. Refit the wheel arch liner if removed previously. Refit the appropriate road wheel. Lower the car to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to 120 Newton meters.